Hi, this is Cori with ITpipes. This brief tutorial is for clients using support.itpipes.com, and this is to give you an idea how you can use chat to message back and forth direct with an ITpipes representative. The first step to use the support site is to go to https://support.itpipes.com. If you are a new user and you do not already have a login to this support portal, you will be required to sign up as a new user. If you are an existing client with an active service level agreement, software subscription agreement, or enterprise agreement, you will be auto approved for sign up and receive an email confirmation back within 2 business days. If you already are a member of support.itpipes.com, simply log in here with your email address. Enter your password. If you will use this site regularly, go ahead and select Remember Me and confirm that is checked, and that will prevent having to log in every time you attempt to access the site. At this point, you are ready to actually log in and simply click on Sign In. Once you are logged into the support portal, down in the lower right is a chat icon. This displays whether or not the tech support staff are online or offline, and clicking on that icon will attempt to start a chat with a tech support rep. You can see the chat window opens, and at the top we have all of our previous chats listed. And in the lower right, this orange icon, if we select this, we'll start a new chat. When you start a new chat, your name will appear here. This lets the tech know who they are talking with. Your email address will appear here, and this is the email that will be used if we need to follow up on the chat, or if for any reason the user or our staff gets disconnected. This area is where you can type in your message to the tech support rep. And something to note, depending on your browser, as you are typing, the tech support rep, it is possible that they can see what you are typing as you are typing it before you select to send that message to the representative. Once you have your message complete, down in the lower right, select Start Chat, and that sends the message to the tech support rep so that they can respond. Your message moves up into the chat detail, and if a tech support representative is available, they will respond online. To continue your chat, type your message in this area, and right below that you can see the send icon. After your message is input, select that icon to send the new message to the tech support rep. You can see here this is a sample of a client chat happening with a support rep online. There are a few advanced functions available, and these 3 dots take you into those. The advanced functions has several tools. The first option is to attach a file, so you can send a template file, an image, any other files that the tech support rep may need to assist you. You can also send an email from here to the tech support rep or to yourself. You can also print the history of the message. So if you want to keep the history of the chat, you can print that from here, although that is also available later inside of your tickets. So you can always review that at any time. And another option here is to share your screen. If you do select to share your screen with a tech, or a tech selects to request you to share your screen, this is the message that will appear. So you do get to confirm that the tech can see your screen before the tech sees your screen. If you want to share the screen, click on Share Now. That is the ITpipes support chat tool, and hopefully we'll get you some great assistance from our team. Before I close out of the support site, I just want to mention, please do not forget that in the top area, you have a menu with My Area. That's where you can see your tickets, so the history of this chat. You can also access the knowledge base for troubleshooting, documentation, installation sets, all kinds of good information. And we also have our community section for sharing information with other clients or setting up topics to talk about with a tech. Thanks for listening to this video today.